Alright, so we were sitting here looking for some place to get lobsters. We've never been to Maine before.
First time.
First time, and so we were trying to get some lobsters and went to some little crab shack thing.
Well, there's no parking down on the wharf for big trucks.
Yeah, there's no parking anywhere around here, so...
We only have just a short amount of time, so we can't unload the bike.
Right. So we stopped at the crab shack. They don't have lobsters there, like just lobsters. But two guys in line said, hang on a second. Go down here to this boatyard, and we got lobsters on our boat, and talk to Walter. That's what I did. So we finally made it to Maine. It took us 10 years to get here. And when in Maine, you gotta buy lobsters. So I ran across this feller, Walter.
Yep.
Ran across this feller, had a bag of lobsters. So I'm buying these lobsters from him.
Yep. There you go.
Never cooked a lobster, never ate a lobster, but this is what we're gonna do today.
Gotta put some Old Bay, some salt and pepper, your favorite seasonings.
Heck yeah. We're gonna do this.
Yeah.
This is the boatyard that we've come to find lobsters at. And here's what we found. A bag of lobsters, and they look like they're really mean. But from a Colorado mountain man, those things look prehistoric. All right, so here we are in the truck. We got our two lobsters here. Rascally little guys, still very much alive. They told us to put about 1.5 inches of water in the pan and some salt. So here we go. Gonna follow some directions from Walter. So we're using a little hot plate deal here, 2-burner hot plate. It'll work just fine, but in the meantime, put these guys back in their little bathtub here and work up my courage to take them rubber bands off, and hopefully they calm down between now and then. And I'm thinking these lobsters are vicious. Look at them birds, they're ready to kill each other for some bread. So Walter told me to take the rubber bands off of the claws so that it doesn't taste like rubber when you eat them. And I'm not sure if he was doing that because you'd actually taste the rubber, or he just wanted to set me up to get bit, but I'll give it a try, see how rascally these guys are. This guy here, I think he's a little bit more calm. Maybe he's tired from fighting the other guy. That wasn't so bad. He's still alive, for sure. Oh, it's this other one. This one here is pretty frisky. Yeah, don't run away. They aren't that fast. That wasn't so bad. I think Walter didn't lead me on here. But they said to boil them for 20 minutes. I got a raging boil. So in you fellers go. Put your little feelers in there. All right, there we go, 20 minutes. They did warn me about this trying to boil over and to be careful. Seems like you just pull the lid off and it kind of calms down a little bit there. But they are turning very red. All right, I'm thinking these are done. Been about 15 minutes. Took them out, put back in the bathtub. I'm gonna let them cool off a little bit and then rinse all that brown stuff off of them. I don't know what that is. I have an idea, but I don't know for sure. Next time, those pink gloves.
They're you.
Okay. These dudes are still hot, and I'm wanting to wash off
The goo.
some of this stuff that I know you don't eat the shells, but I don't think I even want that on my plate. It doesn't look
Appetizing.
Yeah, it doesn't make me hungry. I don't know. I think there's a lot of stuff in this that I'm probably not going to think is making me too awful hungry. But a little bit of a bath would do them good. Here we go. So looking at the videos we see, looks like this is a messy deal. So we've got plenty of microfiber towels. So we got some garlic butter, got lobsters. I got my claw breakers. True truck driver fashion, you use what you got. All right, so she watched the videos. There's one. Just tear the poor things apart.
Okay. But it says just grab and break.
Pretend you're starving. Ooh. That doesn't look. I think you're eating 2 of these. I'm gonna have a taste of something that doesn't look like that.
I don't know how to get into this part. This is too break.
You just rip it apart.
Okay.
Oh my. Go caveman. Ooh. I hope it's done enough.
I feel like the seagulls, you can hear them in the background out there. It sounds like they're laughing at me.
Right? They're laughing at me for being a fool. See, we came prepared for big lobsters. I heard Maine had big lobsters. So we brought our big lobster claw tool. I think you gotta crunch it more than that.
Oh no, it cracked it. Owies, pokies.
Oh.
Juicy.
I bet it is juicy. It was climbing around trying to bite us a few minutes ago.
Oh, that's the part that the guy says comes right out. If you break this off when it's in the pot and you're not sure if it's done, and you break this part off and it comes off like that, that's how you know it's done.
Hey, it's done.
It's done. So yeah, so if it was in the pot, you just grab this part.
And if it bites back, you know it's not done.
And then it's supposedly done if it pulls out like that.
Is this gonna be like the coconut thing?
Yeah. Coconut jelly.
Coconut jelly, yeah. Well, what'd you cook today in your big house? Yeah, here we go. I'm ready.
Interesting.
Better than coconut jelly.
Better than coconut jelly. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I did a video on that.
Yeah.
Living like locals.
Hi, Don Calendar.
Hey, Don. Trying this lobster thing in the truck. So, anyhow, it's your turn.
Yep. All right, so in conclusion, haven't had Maine Lobster now. Your lobsters are safe with me. If anybody needs me to babysit a lobster, you don't have to worry about me eating it. I'd rather eat a cold hot dog.
No, I liked it. It was good. I thought they were good. I enjoyed mine and his.
I'd rather eat a cold hot dog.
He did take some bites, though.
Oh, I ate the tail, and
The
that was
tail.
enough.
That's great. So I want to say a big shout out and a big thank you to
Portland Yacht Dogs. That's who saw us there at the Crab Shack and told us come on over and pick up a couple lobsters. So
good
thanks,
job,
guys.
Walter, for giving us good cooking instructions.
Yep.
Thanks for the sale.
Yep. You maniacs. Have a great day.